Orchestration. Sorry. Really gotta do something about these hiccups.
Don't worry, we'll cure your hiccups in no time.
Okay, remember. We're looking for symbols, to try and scare Saucer, to cure his hiccups.
Orchestra Ocean's a big ocean. There's sure to be symbols somewhere. Let's look at the monitor, and see if we can find them. Let's see. We have some violins, some drums, and some cellos. But there's gotta be some symbols somewhere. Did you see any symbols? Oh yeah. There they are. And those symbols are definitely loud. They're sure to surprise Saucer. Let's grab those symbols.
And I know just what we can use to catch them. A new thing Penny installed. This is called the Clapper Catcher. A little something Noah had in Rocket.
Wow. Jumpy.
Okay, we need your help to grab the symbols, with the Clapper Jumper. Put your hands out, and get ready to grab it. Here it goes.
Alright. Get ready to lower Clapper Jumper. Lower. Lower. Got them. Great grab.
Great job helping us grab the symbols. Now we should be able to surprise Saucer's hiccups away.
Saucer, can you take us to land please?
You got it, Alyssa.
Wait right here, Saucer.